G'day, I'm Paul. This is the Ford Ranger Super Duty, and that over there is the Toyota LandCruiser 70 Series. A stack of you have been asking which one of these is quicker in a straight line. So we're going to find out today with a drag race. So we'll do a standing start drag race to the flag over there. Then we'll do a rolling race. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be quiet so you can hear what these sound like across the quarter mile. Now, if you don't know, Ford Ranger Super Duty is basically a beefed up, muscular version of the standard Ford Ranger. It is based off the F-150 Super Duty in terms of having extra load carrying capacity and just being more durable. But it does come with a penalty though. So it has a detuned engine and it is heavy, just under 2.7 tons before you add accessories like the tray and the bull bar and the winch and all that sort of stuff. And it is detuned compared to the standard V6 Ranger. Although it does still have 600 Newton meters of torque, it is down on power. And that is the Toyota LandCruiser 70 Series. It has been around longer than religion. And driving it is Sean. Sean, run us through the specs on that.
Well, I have to say, I wish I was in a Super Duty. I always wanted a Super Duty, though. I hope it would have a 7.3 litre V8. But this doesn't have a V8 either anymore. It's now got the 2.8 litre four-cylinder turbo diesel from the Hilux. So on paper, it shouldn't be quicker because it's only 150 kilowatts and it's only 500 Newton meters. But, and if you don't include my mass, it is significantly lighter than that Super Duty. It also only has 2 seats. So that might work for me. It might not. We'll just have to see.
All right, well, there's no time like the present. Let's give this a crack. Sean, are you ready? All right, I'm going to count us in. I need all the help I can get. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, mate, what are you doing? I am in the slowest dual cab ute. What?
What are you doing?
Traction control.
Alrighty, and that's a wrap. Thank you everyone for watching. Champ, what happened?
I brake boosted and then it slipped and the traction control cut in. So I'd like to try again, but I'll turn traction control off this time.
That'd be very wise because I feel that was unfair.
Okay, my screen says traction control turned off, so I'm hoping it's good this time.
And my screen says afterburners on because that's what I'm going to need. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, oh no. That is grim. That is grim. My toe is inside the firewall at the moment. He is absolutely walking me.
It's easy, just easy.
Oh well. All right, well, it's a thought that counts. Yes, I had a feeling that was going to happen from the very beginning. I think probably the last thing left here to do is just a rolling race because maybe that's where I'll have you. Okay, it's time for us to do a roll race. So we're going to do 30 k's an hour to the little concrete divider just there, and then we are going to mash the throttle and see who gets to the end first. I'm hoping it's me. You ready, Sean?
Sports mode is engaged. I might even press the power button just for fun.
Go on. All right, here we go. Let's go. Oh, come on. I've got a 10-speed auto here. I was hoping it might help me.
Well, it was nice seeing you, Paul.
Oh, that was closer, but he is well and truly pulling away.
I'll grab another gear, why not?
Shame I'm driving the fatty here because I think the weight is not helping me at all. All right, I think it's quite conclusive. So I'm going to throw now to the part where I'll be quiet and you can hear what these sound like accelerating down the quarter mile. Well, I can barely say that was surprising. I think the weight difference here has made such a sort of a pivotal difference between how quick these two feel. In fact, it makes a big difference as well when it comes to towing too. So we actually shot a comparison where we did some towing and off-road with these two. So if you do want to check that video out, there is a QR code on the screen, and just remember that this is in a big, massive ute test, so make sure you have subscribed to the channel. You will get notified when that goes live, if it is not live already. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like it and you share it with your mates, but until next time, take it easy.